Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Happy New Year to everybody. I hope everybody had a wonderful holiday season. And hi, my name is Anita, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Hello to my subscribers. I hope everyone is doing well and enjoying the first few weeks of the new year, and just wanted to come on here today to share what I got from my birthday. Yes, so let's get started. I wanted to show you some gifts that I received from my friends and my family. This year has marked an end of a decade and a new beginning of a new decade. So I just wanted to share with you some of the items that I got. I got some skincare products from this brand. I believe it's Shu Uemura. I'm not 100% sure if that's how you pronounce it, but I received a couple of products from my girlfriends and they are just so wonderful. I got the Makeup Artist Oil and also a Makeup Refresher Mist, and then also a cleansing oil. So I just can't wait to try all these new products. And I also got a sponge too as well. So it was so lovely. I basically had a very quiet birthday this year, even though it was one of milestone birthday, but I thought, you know what, we'll just keep it nice and simple and quiet. I had a few friends come by and drop things off, you know, with being able to social distance outside and on our front porch, and we just chatted for a bit. It was just really nice to see faces again. Yeah, so that was the skincare products that I got from some of my friends, and then I also received a beautiful, beautiful candle from a friend as well, and this smells so good. Like, I just wanted to eat it when I smelt it. I'm like, oh my gosh. And the packaging is beautiful. So I thought, wow, it's so nice. You can even have it, you know, in your bathroom when you're doing a spa day, at home. She also gifted me a exfoliator for your body, and it's lavender and honey scent from Sage. So, oh my gosh, I just can't wait to try these with my candle and soak in my tub. So yeah, that was really lovely. And then another item I received from a friend as well is something from Michael Hill. All of these were so surprising to me. So yeah, it comes in this purple wrapping, and then inside the box is a little small box. And inside the small box is a pendant. How beautiful is that? It is in yellow gold, and it's got these little micro diamonds all around on the pendant as well. It is, the chain's definitely very thin and delicate and just so simple that you can actually just stack it. And at the back, there's a bunch of these hooks and chains to adjust the size you want. So you can have it a little bit longer if you like, especially if you're wanting to stack. I'm gonna see if I can just hook it on here. So I've got it a little long, and I want to see where it kind of hits. So yeah, it just hits right under my my pendant here, my other pendant. You can actually hook it down a little bit longer, and then it'll just sit right there. So pretty! Yes, so that was another gift. And then I received a couple of gift cards from Haute Renfrew and also Sephora. So again, lovely, lovely, lovely gifts. I'm just, everything is so useful, which I love. I don't like to, you know, waste anything, and I just love gifts that are very thoughtful and I could use them. So yes, thank you so much. The other item that I received is from my hubby. So we tend not to do gifts. We're just, you know, that kind of couple, I guess. You know, we don't really do gifts. We don't really sort of, yeah, anniversary, you know, Valentine's, birthday. No, not really. We just like to go out for a nice meal. I think that's where my sort of satisfaction is. I am a bit of a foodie. I love to eat and try new things and try new restaurants. So for me, it's, you know, restaurants for celebration is enough for me. But this year, he decided that he wanted to get me something. So I was quite surprised because he had me guess, and I guessed beauty product or something to do with fitness. I don't know, maybe just because of the decade I'm going into, I thought that would be a little bit along the lines of that. But no, he actually got me this Longchamp travel bag. It's an expandable travel bag, and I've actually never seen this before. This is my first Longchamp sort of bag. I don't have any of their sort of shoulder bags or anything, but yeah, I heard a lot of great things about Longchamp. Their nylon is very durable, and it's just yeah, it's really practical. It's you know, it's another grab and go type of bag. It looks like the straps are adjustable, so there is a strap. You can actually take off the strap as well if you want, and there's a top handle, and it is quite large. I'll link all the dimensions in the description box down below. I'll list all the items there, so don't worry about sort of yeah. But it's as you can see, like it folds out, and then this there's a zipper on the top too as well, and then they've got the Longchamp logo on there, and it opens up, and it's quite large. And then on the side here, in the middle of the bag, it has another zipper. So what I love about this one is it's so compact that if you're going to your destination and you don't really need to bring a lot of things, then you can put this bag into your suitcase, and then eventually when you do run out of room, you can actually pull this out and use it as a secondary bag, which again, it's something that I guess a lot of people need if they're going on longer vacation and they might not anticipate what they need. So I thought this was really, really cool. Again, I've never seen it. So look, I pulled off the zipper and it will expand to become this gigantic duffel bag. So oh my gosh, I was so shocked. So this is basically one of his gift. And because of COVID, we couldn't really do part two. Part two was he would take me to like a travel agency, travel center, and basically get me to pick wherever I wanted to go. And we would be able to use this bag with it. So I thought that was so sweet and thoughtful. And you know, because we weren't able to travel all this year, we're looking forward to, and we're very excited for 2021. And we're just excited to see what's in store for all of us, I think. So just got me really excited to even pack a suitcase or even just pack a bag and do a road trip somewhere, you know? I think everyone is on that sort of excitement and joy this year. So yeah, cross our fingers and hope that, you know, everything kind of goes well and everyone stays healthy. But yeah, so that was the gift from hubby. And then this, guys, oh my gosh. Let me tell you, it was a shocker. So if you don't know, this is a box from Van Cleef and Arpels. When you order online, they give you this massive, massive, massive box. So my family, oh, they surprised me with this and I literally was like shocked. Anyways, this is crazy. So this box is amazing. If you haven't ordered from Van Cleef and Arpels, I do recommend do at least once. This box is just, oh my gosh, it's like a velvet box, suede velvet box, and it opens up like this, and it's got the name on there, oops, and they also give you basically the they give you the shopping bag as well. And then inside, it's got all this paper confetti wrapping on top. And then once you kind of dig in there, they have the care booklet and the authentic card case. And then further down, you will receive also a exchange or return form that they give you, and you can fill that out if you know, if you've changed your mind or if you want something different or if it doesn't fit properly. And then in the bottom of all this confetti is a box. I don't know if you can see it, but I will take out the confetti here. So is a box. And then, ta-da, I take out the box. And then, this is what they got me. I just was, oh my gosh. If you haven't watched my unboxing of my 5 motif bracelet, I had showed a piece in there that I really, really liked. And I guess they had watched the video because I didn't know how they kind of knew what I wanted. But anyways, they got me this sweet Alhambra butterfly bracelet. It is so gorgeous, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Yeah, so it comes in that box and it comes with this little green tag, and then also this little cushion here. And this chain is definitely thinner, so it's got a thinner chain, and then I guess the hook is on one of the wings and then on the body as well. So I thought that was really, really cool. And I'm just gonna hook it on here. I'll show you. You can actually have it tighter or loose fit. I usually tend to like it with it. Either way, I think it doesn't really get too tangled, but this is how it looks. It is beautiful, you guys. Oh my gosh. I just am loving it. It's perfect. So yeah, that is what my family got me. They, again, surprised me. They didn't even pack this box, this little box in the big one, because they knew that if I saw the big one, I would know, you know, sort of where it's from. But they completely tricked me and put it in like a soap dispenser. and then they made me open the smoke dispenser, and then it was at the bottom of it, and I just was like, oh my gosh, my family is like, they're so fun, and they make everything so exciting. But yeah, I am so grateful, and I'm so like, I guess I really appreciate what we had to reflect on in 2020 as everyone, you know, had to be more comfortable with their surroundings. And I know some situations aren't as good as others, but we all had to make do and try to find a way. And again, I'm super excited about 2021, and I'm guessing that everybody else is sort of on the same page. But yeah, I am hoping and I wish everyone a great year ahead. And again, reflecting on life and just reflecting on yourself is at the most important, and I think we got that opportunity in 2020. And in 2021, there's just lots of adventures, I think, coming up. So yeah, I can't wait. But I am gonna let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And I will catch you in my next video, guys. Bye!